Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. It is Sunday 9:53. This Sunday could be different, so I decided to come back down by Costco and see if there'll be anything good up here that I'll get. I literally just got out here. I'm actually about to run out of gas, so if I get an order, I'm probably gonna go get gas first and then go to Costco. And if I don't, then I'm gonna get gas and probably go up to where I been working at, or maybe I'll receive an order down here. That's good enough to do. We just gonna see what happens. But this will be another good Sunday. I'm speaking it into existence. This week has been so trash on Instacart. Extremely trash. I feel like they punishing me for something. Maybe I've been doing too good and it was like, well, we're not gonna allow you to make that much money this week. But it's okay because this upcoming week will be good. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This upcoming week I will be trying out a new app. I think this was the easiest app to get on. Like I didn't have to like wait or anything. See, they send it in other orders. I would do this. This is 5 items, $13. But if I do it, then I might miss the Costco drop. Your Target's cool, and this is literally a fast order. Real simple. I could do this. I could knock this out real fast, but it's literally $9.55. There could be a Costco drop, and there may not be one. That's the only thing about it. And this order will be gone in a couple minutes. Like I was saying, I'm gonna try out a new app this week. I saw this huge order up there the other day, and me being me, I like overthink everything, so I didn't take it. But it was $83. It was literally $83. It was a lot of miles, but I feel like it was taking me to an area that I would have been able to make a good amount of money in. I'll introduce that in my upcoming video. Okay, so I got one. I didn't even wait to see what else was gonna pop up. This one is a lot of miles, but it's taking me up to where I work at. So it's 33 miles, but like I said, it's taking me to where I work at, and it is $51. $51.83, 33 miles, 34 items. So yeah, so we still get to work up in our area. The first customer got 26 items and the second customer got 8 items. We don't have any cases of water, which is great. Some diapers, 168 count, and a thing of Coke. That's literally it. And some Capri Suns. That's it. Everything else I feel like is not what I would consider heavy. So I'm about to go ahead and get some gas, and then I'm gonna go over to Costco and do this order. I'm very excited, bro. We're starting off with a $50 order. Hopefully they have everything. I feel like for Costco, when I was doing Costco orders in the past, they usually are good with having everything, so we should be good. Fingers crossed we can get this whole 50, and then we go up there and make some more. We might be able to do 150 to 100 today. I always say that and then something happens, so I'm not gonna talk too much about it. But yeah, let me go get some gas, and I'll probably see y'all once I get out. Man, I thought I was filming this whole time. I'm just talking away, but I am at a Costco. Y'all can kind of see some stuff in the back. I didn't have to do any refunds. I feel like it went really smooth. Customer A just messaged me and said thank you for shopping for me. Spelled my daggone name wrong. Don't know how when it's on the screen, but he spelled my name wrong. He said thank you for shopping for me, Sha'Naya. Have a great day. So I said no problem, same to you. I missed Costco so much. Like it just felt so good to be back in there scanning stuff. Bruh, I missed it. All right, I am done dropping off the first order. That man was so sweet. I only had to make 2 trips. Like him and his son helped me, and he, you know, was asking me a couple questions. Yeah, I guess I'll just go that way. Starting route. All right, so now I'm about to drop off to customer B. Hey twin. Theirs look better than mine.
Turn left onto Glenbury Road.
Y'all, I'm still out of breath though.
Onto Long Hill Road.
I'm tired, honey. Alright, let's go. Alright, I am running a little late, but look, I had to figure out how I was going to get in my car and just make it easy for me. Because if he didn't help me, then, you know, I gotta make it easy for myself. Today is going good so far. I'm very happy that I did decide to go down to Costco, because I was in my house just contemplating. I'm like, last Sunday was bad, but every Sunday is different, so this could be a good Sunday. Let me just go down there, let me just see. So I was like, okay, I left out the house like 9:40 something, and yeah, I'm very happy to have got an order. So we just got our next order. It did not take too long. I've probably been sitting for maybe like 10-15 minutes. This one is $49.23 and it is 17.7 miles, 38 items, 2 customers. First customer got 11 items, second 27, and is at Publix. So hopefully we don't have to do any refunds, or at least not too many. After this, we will literally be over 100. Let me go ahead and knock this out so we can keep on moving. I'm out of Publix. I had to do 4 refunds. They didn't have any rotisserie chicken. The other lady, she wanted non-breaded. No, she wanted breaded hot and spicy wings. They only had non-breaded. And I sent her a picture and told her what they have. And all she said was, okay, thank you. So I took that as she wanted a refund. So I gave her a refund. They didn't have any chicken wings. So I had to refund that. And one lady, she was not responding to anything I was asking her. And I accepted the add-on. It was like $10. I was like, you know what, let's just do it. Because why not? This is going up that way where I'm about to deliver to. So I did another order. This lady is steady adding stuff, but they didn't have the ground turkey she wanted. So I'm asking her, which one did she want me to get? And she's ignoring me. So I got her the 48 ounce. She wanted 2 16 ounces, but they literally were out of just about every ground turkey. But they had like the real big pack. So I'm like, okay, I know you want some ground turkey, just get the 48 ounce. If you don't want it, you can request a refund. The only lady that was responding was customer B. Everybody else is ignoring me, like, bro. But it's okay. So hopefully this order is still like in the 50s. It was $49 before I added on the third order. And that's $10. So it'll be $59. But I had to do 4 refunds. So we'll see. Hopefully it's still good and worth it. Starting to get hungry. All I had was some cereal today, and that was like at 5 or 6 in the morning. So I need to eat something because my head is definitely starting to hurt. I do have some crackers. I did bring a snack. So once I get done dropping these off, I'm gonna eat my crackers. We are done. I just dropped off all the orders. We are at 109 after 2 orders. Bro, why can't every day be like Sunday? Like, bro, 100 off of 2 orders? That's amazing. So now, I'm about to go back down that way. There's only 1 order up here right now. It's $13, 27 items. I'm not doing it. Sundays are literally my day. Like, I can't miss a Sunday. If anybody want me to do something on a Sunday, I can't do it. Like, no. That's a definite work day. Like, no. Unless it's an emergency. Or unless the person gonna pay me for my day off. I need $200 up front, okay? In order to take Sunday off. Sundays are the best days. I think the the last customer, she wasn't answering me because she was painting. She had a bunch of paint on her hands, so I give her a pass. I guess. I don't like being ignored. One day, I'm gonna do like a challenge or something. I don't know what the challenge gonna be, but I'm gonna do something where I come out at like 5 or 6, probably 6 in the morning. Like wake up around 5 something, because it don't take me long to get dressed. So I'll probably do a challenge where I come out at 6 in the morning and stay out all day and see how much I can make on a Sunday. I feel like I'll do good. I've been sitting here for a while now. I only saw one order that I could have took that was like really good, and I didn't get it. Everything else has been not so good, or just like extremely low. It's supposed to rain earlier than 10. It is extremely windy. It feels really good. I don't know if y'all can hear the wind, but I think it might start raining around 5. Or no, it says 7. I guess it's just gonna be windy. So I'm probably not gonna be out for too much longer. I'm gonna go to the store and get what I need before I go home. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I'm gonna be a little bit more patient. I'm gonna sit here and edit this video down, but I'm not trying to get caught out in this rain. It rained hard up here. I can barely see type rain. So I want to be in the house. Yeah, these are both bad. Like there's one $12, 8 items, 15 miles. Then the other one is $12, 8 items, 9 miles. It is not even going in the direction to go home. So I'm not doing either one of these. So I'm gonna give it to like 440, and if nothing comes up, then I'm just gonna go to Food Lion, get what I need, and then go home. I made my 100, so I'm happy. I would love to make like 150, but I don't want to be out in the rain, and I'm hungry, so yeah. I am home now. I'm about to do a quick haul. I spent $30. I was trying to only spend 25. If I didn't get this water and this big old box of cereal, that would have been good, but I was almost out of cereal. So this is literally my fave with some vanilla almond milk, honey roasted, honey bunches of oats. Like, these are so good, so good. Then I got some 5 cheesy garlic bread. Cannot wait to eat this. I love cheesy garlic bread. Another thing of spaghetti noodles. Then I got the traditional. I think I should have got the one with the meat sauce, but this will do, still fine. Italian style diced tomatoes. Got 2 peppers, a red and a green. Another chopstick, the Caesar one. Y'all, this is so good. This freaking Parmesan Caesar dressing is so good. Like, it's so good. That's the best part, honestly, is the dressing. Yeah. Small thing of ground beef and a 24 pack of spring water. That's literally it. $30. Yeah, so we're about to hop in the shower, and then I'm gonna start cooking. It is raining. I got in the house just in time. Did y'all hear that? Let me open the door. Let me open the door. I ain't got no pants on. Do y'all hear that? That's the sound of rain. It's raining. But yeah, so I'm about to hop in the shower, and then once I get out, I'm gonna start cooking. I'm so excited because I'm so hungry. So I got a couple dishes. Well, not a couple, but a few dishes to wash, and then I'm gonna start cooking. This is the finished product. Don't it look good? Like, I did that. Look at this salad.